Hi, how are you? I think you are all great by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also fine. Today's lesson is speak loudly, speak confidently. I think when you speak with your colleagues, with your friends, with your neighbors, and it might be the strangers. Okay, you don't know the strangers. Okay, and that time you feel shy to speak. Okay, speak loudly and with confidently. Now I'm today giving you one topic, and I think which can help you to get understand and understand properly, and when you speak to your opponent person or with others, I think this can help you to be a loud speaker. Okay, so let's get started. Here you can see one passage. I think first I would like to read this passage with loudly. Okay, loudly. Okay. Uh, so coronavirus. I think COVID-19. Uh, the the whole world, I think, is in alarming situations about COVID-19. Most people, I think, know about COVID-19, that is coronavirus. And it's not only alarming issues here in our country, Bangladesh, and but also for the whole world, it's an alarming. Okay, so yeah, I include passage is about COVID-19 here. Okay, let's read. Coronavirus disease, COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people get infected. Please notice that in my previous video, okay, I discussed a little bit is about get, I think, how to use get properly in your spoken language. Okay, I'd like to say one thing. When you use get before verb, okay, this is in fact this is verb. Okay, and when you use get before verb, and the verb should be past participle. Okay, but you should know first about past participle form. Okay, the verb has a three form. Okay, the first form is present form. Second form is past form, and the third form is past participle form. So infect, present form, and infected, past form, and infected also past participle form. Okay, so here infected is used past participle form. When you use get before verb, and verb should be past participle form. Okay, so we can read. Most people get infected, okay, with this virus will experience mild to moderate. So mild to moderate means, what do you mean by word mild to moderate? Mild to moderate means we naturally know about mild to moderate. When people are suffering from illness, I think it's not serious, it's normal, that you call it mild to moderate. Okay, that's not dangerous. Okay, we can call it mild to moderate symptoms, and people get well very soon. Mild to moderate respiratory illness. Respiratory illness means respiratory. It is related. Respiratory means related with lungs. Okay, and I think it is related with human body. Respiratory illness and recover with recurring special treatment. Recover here. Recover means to become well from something, from illness. So that we mean recover. Older people means, okay, older people, we know that very well about older people means who are those in criteria after 60, after 60 70 70 years old, I think that kind of people who are in a stage, we call it older people. Okay, older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease. So, my friends, cardiovascular disease means cardiovascular disease related with heart, okay, and with cardiac problems. So, diabetes, also diabetes, okay. Diabetic means people may have some sugar, okay, so sugar, okay, sugar increasement and decreasement problem. I think those people have, I think we can say it diabetes. Chronic respiratory disease means I'd like to say one example like asthma. Okay, the asthma, I think, means of short breathness, and I think people sometimes may have problems, breathing problem, shortness of breath. Okay, so we can call it a chronic respiratory disease. And cancer, oh my god, this is very alarming, this is very dangerous disease for human body who has been suffering from this. Okay, cancer are more likely to develop serious illness according to the WHO. Yeah, everyone knows about WHO, means World Health Organization. World Health Organizations, I think, contributions to the poor faculty, slum dwellers, street children, and their dedications to the poor country. Oh my God, is very much there. They are very much helpful to that sector. According to the WHO, the most common symptoms are fever, fatigue, and dry cough. So fever means what? Fever, someone feels heat in one's body and get tired, fatigue. So also here we can see fatigue. Okay, so it's related with fever. So when people are suffering from fever, gets, I think, fatigue, numbness. So this is, I think, these words are related with medical sector, medical terms. Okay, and dry cough, I think you all know the dry cough. Okay, people are suffering from cold related disease, and I think he gets a dry cough and a coughing problem. Sometimes patients get muscle pain and short throat. Short throat means it is related with medical terms, and short throat means people naturally talks or speak to opposite person normally, and sometimes may feel problem, voice not clear to opposite person, or cannot speak properly, that we can call it short throat. Runny nose. Okay, runny nose is also related with medical terms, and runny nose is, I think, is about allergic. I think who has allergic problems and with runny nose symptoms, I think it is also a medical term. Shortness of breath. Yeah, shortness of breath is related with asthma. Okay, chronic respiratory disease. Okay, nausea and vomiting and often diarrhea is about I think medical terms, and these words are related with medical terms. Okay, so the purpose of this passage, okay, I gave you, or I wrote you, because you should find out the keywords first, okay, and should write it down in your notebooks. And when you were exact time, I think you forgot these keywords from this passage, and you can learn when you can practice. Okay, those words, those words, okay, when you wrote these keywords in your notebook, okay, and I think this can help you to develop in your speaking in speaking English. And I think by reading books, by reading topics, by reading newspapers, and I think which can help you to be a fluent speaker. And when and I told you again, when you speak to opposite person, with your neighbors, with your colleagues, and be confident first, and get prepared yourself to speak to your opposite person. So don't feel shy in that time. Speak loudly, okay, and confidently. I think it can help you to be a fluent speaker. And sometimes you will mistake, and sometimes you will not. It's not a matter, okay. So when you wanna speak with your opposite person, I think opposite person knows better than you, and try to find faults of you. I think that kind of people you cannot select. No need to select, okay. That kind of people you don't need. I think who knows little, okay, but their expressions are positive for you, and shows all time great to you. I think that kind of people you can select. I think that would help you to get understand English properly. So my friends and viewers, I'd like to tell you one thing again. Be confident first, and should be very smart when you speak to you with your colleagues, with your friends, okay. Be confidently, speak confidently. Okay, my friend, that's all for today. And in my next videos, I will give you more information, and regarding how to improve yourself. I think and I will give you some suggestions, and that will help you to be a fluent speaker. Okay, bye for now. Of your all time best with your nearest, and especially with your mom and dad. Bye bye. Take care.